teaser.
Welcome again to this channel. Please check out this wash and go short hairstyles for beautiful matured women. Please watch to the end, help share this video, and let us know your mind in the comment section below. If you have any kind of hairstyle you want for me to bring in my next upload, also let me know. For here your girl will not fail. I'm going to bring those beautiful trendy styles for you guys. Thank you so much everyone, and see you guys at the end of the video.
Short pixie cuts are hairstyles that are among of the most edgy hairstyles for black women, especially when you're looking to make an unforgettable statement. These hairstyles are eye-catchy attractiveness. The short haircuts are also ageless, like making them ideal for the woman who is always on the move and has that little time to groom lengthier length. So depending on the occasion or the dress, they can be styled neatly or purposefully untidy, while there are a variety of short haircuts for black women to pick from today's video. You can see these are beautiful women haircuts that looks fantastic on black women, while looking completely unflattering on another. This is why it's critical to examine your facial shape before deciding on a major chop. But one thing I love about this pixie cut is it's a hairstyle that suits all face shape. This hairstyle, you can see, it even looks fantastic on this face shape. This is beautiful hairstyles that really emphasizes the job to really give you that boxy image you want. I love this hairstyle because it flatters all faces. The hairstyle is one of the most dominant faces that women with short hair like, especially the older matured women. So you may rock this hairstyle no matter how short your hair is, and it can also be modified to really reflect your personality. So I love the hairstyles. I know you guys love it. Let me not just talk much, just check out those fantastic pixie cuts for beautiful matured women, because the trend and true pixie is a cute yet edgy hairstyle ideal for short hair. And what makes this option fantastic for short hair, in my own opinion, is how effortlessly it mixes high impact with elegance. Because this kind of few hairstyles can really compete with that, making a pixie cut one of the first points of contact for beautiful black women looking for that big chop. And this pixie is one of those haircuts that looks good on practically every face shape, including the oval, the square, the heart-shaped features. However, it really gains more points on round faces shape, since it creates angles that might lessen the roundness of the face. Thank you so much. I appreciate my returning subscribers. I appreciate my new subscribers. God bless you guys, and see you at the end of the video.
What a lovely style. I really love them. I know you love them too. God bless you guys, and see you in my next video.